For all you electricians out there, this is Bosch's brand new electrician's testing kit. Now Bosch are really excited about this. Chris, tell us a bit about it.
That's right, yes, because we haven't had products like this before, so this is our first generation. We have a voltage detection pen here, we have our digital multimeter, we have a fork and clamp meter, as well as a voltage tester here.
So Chris, what sets these apart? Why are they so good?
Okay, when we decided to develop these tools, we decided to take the advantage of making some additional benefits for you, the user. One thing that we've done across the range is we've made these really good when it comes to IP rating. We've made them robust, so they all have really good drop resistance, up to 2 meters in some cases, with IP ratings up to 67 for, say for example, the voltage test pen. Another feature that we've decided to do is, with the display itself, we've made it a negative display, which is obviously much easier to see in bright weather.
With this voltage tester here, it does look like it's got a bit more going on, so what am I looking at here?
That's right, yes, okay, because we've decided that this model is going to be the premium version, so this is the GVD, non-contact voltage tester, the 1017. You've got, first off, a nice little torch on the front there, because obviously, if you're an electrician, there's a good chance you're working in dark places. The product itself, actually, when working, has 3 different ways of telling you whether or not there's a voltage or there is a wire nearby. Obviously, the light itself will flash when you get nearer to something that's live. It will also make an alarm, so you can hear it, an audible alarm, and also it has haptics, so the actual product itself will vibrate in your hand, so you know whether or not you're coming close to something that is voltage.
No missing that.
Yep, there's 2 modes on it. High voltage, which is 90 to 1000 volts, and then we've also got a low voltage mode for 24 to 1000 volts.
So this is the GVD, but we know at Bosch you like your slightly complicated and quite long names. What are all the other ones?
That's right, yes. Well, okay, so we mentioned the GVD. The next one we've got here is the digital multimeter. So this is the GMD 600-15. So again, rated up to 600 volts. The fork meter, the GFM 1000-15. The clamp meter, GMC 600-15. And then finally, we have our voltage tester, which is the GVT 1000-15. So there is a logic to it.
Yeah.
And if you are an electrician, these products all probably look quite familiar to you, so you won't need to relearn anything. They are as you expect.
I can see on the side here we've got this little strap with what looks like a magnet on the back. Is that what it is?
Yeah, that's right. That's a nice little accessory that we offer for the multimeters and the fork and clamp meter, allowing you to hands-free stick it on the wall so you don't have to worry about needing both hands when making your measurements.
Super handy.
Super handy. That was a good pun, yeah.
So these are brand new to Bosch. The full electrician's testing range is available now at its.co.uk.